Hello and welcome to Craft Drawer. Today I'm going to talk about a blanket that I crocheted using soft Bernat Blanket yarn. The yarn that I used is Bernat Blanket yarn in colors Teal Stream for the main color and Storm Blue for the blue stripe. I used 4 skeins of the Teal Stream and 2 skeins of the Storm Blue and a size P crochet hook, but you can use any crochet hook that can be used with bulky yarn if you want to make this pattern. It's a very soft yarn, and again, the one I used is called Mystical in the Bernat collection, but there are other blanket yarns that you can pick from if you want to make something like this. And I used a larger crochet hook because it's easier to work with a blanket or a thick yarn. The basic pattern for this is a single crochet. I did about 50 or 60 rows across, and then I turned and I continued just to crochet, single crochet all the way down. Did about approximately 25 rows of the main color and 10 rows for the stripe in between. You can mix and match it up how you want. I mean, you can make the stripe thinner or larger if you want, or just alternate colors, or stick to one color if you want. The measurements are approximately 45 inches by 72 inches. And again, you can play with that easily enough if you want to make a blanket like this. Um, it's just an easy one. You can do single crochet, you can do double crochet or half double crochet, whatever you want. It just makes a quick blanket with using a thicker yarn and a larger hook and um, whether it's single or double or half double crochet, that just makes the blanket big move along faster to get it done. It also makes a very soft and warm blanket to cozy and cuddle up with. As you can see, how big the stitches are in some of these videos that I took of the blanket yarn. Funny story is I received the blanket yarn, which I never really worked with a lot of blanket yarn, maybe once before for a project. I received it for a Christmas gift, but I only received 3 skeins, so I had to go and buy. I actually bought 2 extra skeins and an extra color for the stripe so that I can make a whole blanket. And I'm actually making this blanket for myself to keep warm in the cold winter months. So again, like I said, I'll leave some information about the blanket yarn in my description links below, and maybe some more information about some of these bulky crochet hooks that you can work with, or these larger crochet hooks that you can work with. It makes it a quick pattern when you use a big crochet hook, especially with a thicker yarn. It's a great way to make a pattern or a project. Another thing is I want to mention is I'm going to leave a couple of patterns down below for um, for ideas that you can make your own projects. So check out my links for additional projects. Some of them are crochet kits, some of them are free patterns, and some of them are paid, but I'll specify that in the description so you can take a look at some of these and tell me what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and checking out my crocheted blanket with using Bernat Blanket Yarn.